today's episode of The Black Chair. Join us as we delve into the world of music with his team conductor of the award-winning UM Chorale. Discover his captivating journey reminiscing on unforgettable moments of competition both at home and abroad. Sir Timothy Paul Atencio.
Hi mga ka-transition! Welcome to the 5th episode of The Black Chair with our special guest, the conductor of the award-winning UM Chorale, Sir Tim Atencio. Hi sir!
Hi, sir.
It's nice to have you in the program, sir.
Yes, sir. No problem.
Okay, so let us start our interview today. Are you ready, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Alright, sir. My first question is, tell us something about yourself and let us know when did you start being a conductor of UM Chorale?
Ako day si Tim Atencio, taga Davao Rapod. I started being the conductor of the young choir in 2018. I first started as a member and then eventually in 2015 became the assistant to Sir Peter Buaya, my former conductor. And then in 2018, napasa sa ko ang UM Chorale. And then since then, I've been leading the aircraft to this day.
Sir, can you describe your approach to selecting your members to be part of UM Chorale?
With regards to the selection of members,
Yeah.
contrary to the belief of many na kailangan daw mapit og choir, kanang gwapo jud kay tingog nga kanang
Okay.
kuan jud kay ka, biritera kay ka or whatever, kanang pangtawag ng tanghalan level, no? But being in a choir, it doesn't require you to become super good in singing.
Yeah.
Because I believe na everyone can sing. Siyempre, lahi lang ang level. But I have that belief na, lalo na mga Pilipino, no, that most of us, or if not every one of us, we can all sing. So, kumbaga, I select my members or the members of the young choir. Siyempre, mag-agi sila audition, screening, but actually, the actual selection happens during pag makasulod na sila sa initial screening. Siyempre, i-check lang dito ang ilang tingog, ang ilang mga prior knowledge sa music, but eventually para mapilian yun sila, they will go through a process, training process nga dara niyo makita if kumbaga willing ba yun sila mo join, if kaya ba yun nila, committed ba yun ba sila, ang ilang attitude and everything else has to be checked during that phase. So dara dito gid sila masala kumbaga. It's kumbaga initial screening, then training process, and then eventually dahan-dahan silang ibutang as members of the choir. So we keep around 25 to 30 members
In one audition or one screening process?
Dili po, sir. I mean, ang regular na members na ang gina-keep is around 25 to 30 people. So, kumbaga, nag-audition lang if na ay mawala or na ay mo graduate. So, maura na ang time ng So, kumbaga, close-knitted group lang din siya. Hindi siya ingon nga ka ng kuan.
Nabay members sa choral nga really started nga very weak ba for you and then eventually develop the skill in singing? Because as you know, sir, no, I have students from your group and I was actually shocked. Hala, choral din siya. So, alagay, sir, nga, I did not see the potential back in our classes, and then murag dito ako nabala nga ay nara siya potential nag-apply sa choral. Kanya tala, sir, kung na ba kay ana nga
like what I said, most of the people na pag naay mga maayo nga mo join sa choir, no, kumbaga advantage naman na nga kanang na sila confidence mo kanta and everything else nga goes with a performer, no. Pero naa-joy kanang mga ulaw mo kantag sila ra ba? Ulaw mo solo, gusto sila mo kanta pero kanang wala sila
dapat na
confidence ba? So they think like pag naa sila sa choir, murag dara nila ma-try ug boost ilang confidence and then eventually makakanta na sila. And daghan kumbaga throughout the time nga naging part ko sa choir, naging member, nagtudlo, daghan ako na-experience sa kanang from very ulawon, very timid na mga people, eventually maabot yun sa point na perform na ba maka-contribute na sa choir and ma-enhance gid not just ang ilahang kuan ba, dili lang ang ilang talent, kanang raw talent in singing, but actually their knowledge in music and in music in general.
So my follow-up question, sir, is that how did you do the selection process in terms of who will be competing, not just in local setting but even international setting? How do you do that, sir?
So pag mag-compete na, syempre it's another set of standards man dito. Different standard na dili mo i-set sa screening process sa kanang pag-join sa choir. Ang imuhang ginapangita pa lang isang raw talent, no, ang ilahang potential, kumbaga you bank on the potential of the singer. But if part na sila sa choir and then pag mo compete na, syempre they somehow go through a process of evaluation. Tanawon kung unsa ang ilahang performance so far sa nagdugay sila sa choir, and then unsa ang ilang ma-contribute mo jud na unsa ilang ma-contribute, dili lang man it's not just about the voice when I say contribute kana jung are they a good team player,
Yes.
maayo ba ang ilahang kumbaga pakikitungo sa bawat isa, kaning ang nagatuon ba, dili ba absinot, or ganyan ang mga ano ba, mga iyan ang mga cases that you have to evaluate. Syempre dili siya kanang murag one time evaluation. Kumbaga it's a certain period, let's say mga 2 weeks before the selection process of the team na imuhang dalon sa competition, kinaobserbaran na nako sila
Okay.
together with some of nagapangay mga opinion from the alumni,
Okay.
mga older members na okay ba ni sila ani. And then eventually may badalan lang apart sila sa competing group, pag naa na sila sa chair kay naman may nami formation every pag-compete, pag-rehearsal kanang naalang tanan, pero pag magpa-compete namin na jud na certain chair that is allotted for a certain group of people lang. So if part na sila ato, then dito na lang may balan part na ko sa competing group.
So that moment pa lang na mabalaan nga appeal sila sa competition.
Yes sir.
So the moment they sit on that particular chair, makasense na sila nga they will be competing.
Yes.
Okay sir, regarding with the selection of who will be competing, nabi mga mga members nga magselos or mga murag ano ba ay bias, something like that. Naba na sir?
Well, dili man jud nimo maiwasan no.
Yeah.
Kay syempre
Everyone is working hard.
Yeah, everybody is doing their best. Kumbaga,
Yes.
doing your best is a kind of subjective manggod. I mean, you can it may be true that you're doing your best and
Yes.
everything else, but syempre someone else might be doing better than you.
Exactly.
So you cannot dili nimo na siya matanggal sa labi na sa kanang ana competitive na group no.
Yes.
Nga kanang you're not just competing against others, you're competing within
yourself.
yourselves o
Exactly.
imong sarili o ang imong kauban sa group. So
Exactly.
kumbaga the competition actually starts there. It's not when you compete with other people. Dito jud sa rehearsal room, dito jud na itabo ang tinuod na competition. So naa jud na yung mga ingana nga kanang maka-feel sila og kanang ay dili ko enough,
Yes.
or ay nganong si ingani man ang naka-appeal, dili
Yes.
ako. I mean, that's normal since
So
kumbaga,
ginaon sa nimo sir, how do you still motivate them to continue despite nga wala sa appeal an nga competition?
well, ako jud silang giningan nga there is always something to look forward to. Kumbaga, you may not be part of this competition, but take it as a challenge na wala ko naka-appeal ani, so I need to somewhat, do better para
Okay.
maka-appeal ko sa next. Kumbaga, it's not the end of the world man if
Exactly.
di ka maka-appeal og competition, no? I mean,
Mm.
kaning daghan pag pwede ka nga ma-experience,
Yeah.
only if you allow yourself to grow ba.
So that's what they have to consider no, and always to be mindful about nga kung ama ka nakwa karon, there's always something that you have to look forward to, and it might be better than the opportunity that
Mm.
has
Exactly.
that has come today. Thank you so much, sir. You mentioned earlier nga nag-start ka as a conductor back in 2018,
Yes, sir.
and I guess it's almost 6 years already.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so being a conductor, what is or what was the biggest challenge na imong na-encounter sa UM Coral?
So far, natungnan pa jud no nga during sa ako ang time na nga kanang katong ako nang naging conductor. May tabo ang pandemic.
Yes,
so
back in 2020.
I think wala na makatupong ato nga challenge jud kumbaga from the previous years gikan sa namugna ang UM Coral, always gid na siya na transition
Okay.
na natural nga pag naimo mga older members and then na new members, kumbaga na
Smooth,
flow,
no? Very
smooth
smooth
nga
kayo.
transition.
Oo.
But during the pandemic, since nahunong din siya for 2 years, like nag-start to go from ground zero usaba. So teaching the kabaluan as a teacher sa kabaluan
Yes.
ka nga very challenging ang
Exactly.
ang pagtudlo sa mga
Online
Gen
classes.
Z na students lalo na after the pandemic.
Yeah.
Siguro before the pandemic mo makaya-kaya pa na kung but nung after the pandemic daghan na og adjustments jud.
Ngano sa sir, nganong dagan sa adjustment? Is it because about nga kanang lisod i-gather ang members kay pandemic?
Katong pandemic actually halos na stop jud siya. Murag wala jud mi activity except ka na murag online na mga
Yes.
activities, which is in a performing arts na kuan field, dili siya considered as murag jud na jud mo gibuhat para kanang
Yeah.
ba, but the actual nature of the choir is dili nimo makitaan sa mga online na kuan. It's dapat actual jud man na
So 2 years po
nag-gather.
nag-stop ang competition ni sir.
Yes sir.
Pero ay murag naman to yung video nga isa sir no nga you were doing it online and what was the title of the song again, sir?
I think we had When You Believe.
Yes, kaya sir.
Ang among gibuhat ato sir is nag-video mi sa
Yes.
kanya-kanyang balay.
Challenging di ba to sir no?
Super jud. Murag ka nang kita murag kami pod nangapa mi unsaon pagpadayon ang murag music pa through the
Yes.
pandemic. So nakita na lang jud og mga kuan og mga ways, but lisod jud gihapon kayo siya. So
How about any challenge sir nga challenge nga you think challenging gyapon siya in terms of handling UM Coral, like a member ba nga grabe ka tapulan ba kaya or attitude na ba may ana sir nga challenge nimo?
well, siguro kay naanad na ako kay daghan man jud. I mean dili man mo start jud na na-set na jud na ako sa akong self na pagsulod anang whoever sa UM Choir na jud na kinaiyang background, na ilahi nga mga
Yes.
background. So
Kaya syempre
Ah,
open education.
yeah, my goal as the leader and the conductor of the group is dahan-dahan mapasahan siya og kanang kultura nga maayo ba. So you always pag nakay makita nga dili maayo or kanang angay i-correct sa isa ka tao ana even sa kanang mga nagadugay na ginagaano jud, kumbaga ikaw nag-aasa ka nga eventually makuan ra sila kaning makaton ra sila ba.
Yes.
Pero if ever po jud nga dili jud ginastoryan ako nga if ever nga dili jud nag-say mga to ang values and whatever, if dili po nimo feel na jud nga nasa choir, then you can always look for another na lang basin salain pa kamo excel ba. So may mga yan na cases.
Yeah, maybe this is a reflection as well, not just to yung mga musically inclined students, but of course, yung mga student or possibly yung mga working student nga, it's not just about the talent, but
Yeah.
what matters also is our attitude, no?
Yes.
Atong behavior. Kay murag dira ta ma-develop and then mo-grow ang atong
Tinuod jud.
atong character mismo. So, Sir Team, the UM Coral has received different accolades. To name a few, we have 13th Busan Choral Festival, which you won the grand prize in 2017. We have the first Tokyo International Choir Competition in 2018, third place in the adult choir category in the National Music Competition for Young Artists, or the NAMSIA, in 2019. And we also have the Taipei International Choral Festival and the very recent recognition from the local government at this year's Pasindongog Garbo sa Davao, which is attributed to the group's contribution to the city in the field of music and the arts after winning in the 2023 Andrea o Veneracion International Choral Festival and the 2024 Himig Handog Musikahan sa Tagum International Choral Festival. So how does it feel to always bring pride and honor to University of Mindanao?
Hantod karon no kanang murag kuan gyapon siya. It's always a privilege jud and an honor na ma-represent ang UM sa in the field of music, dili lang sa ato ang local na setting but even national and international na scene.
Yes.
Ako kay siya nga privilege for not just for me but for the entire group that we can keep on doing this ba.
So every time sir no nga mag-compete mo sir no kanang it really is a very a privilege no to represent UM. At the same time, not just that kind of thing, but of course you bring with you the support from UM.
Yes.
So UM as we know is not only supporting or very supportive in sports, academics, but also in music. So can you tell us how or what can you say about the support you received from the University of Mindanao since day one?
Grabe jud. Kumbaga na-experience yun ako siya first hand as a student,
Yes.
even as and karon nga naga-lead sa sa group. Grabe jud ang suporta ni UM sa group. Lalo na if they see na nagapaningkamot ang ang mga people bitaw.
Yes.
Kung makita nila nga they are passionate sa ilang ginabuhat, for example sa AMUA, nakita nila nga nagapaningkamot jud ni sa AMUA sa AMUA mga competitions sa ginaapilan, performances inside the university or even outside. Una nga ang ilang suporta jud, una pasalamat ko syempre kay kay sa atong president,
Yes,
kay Sir
Sir
Guillermo
Torres.
Torres, and Ma'am Gloria Idetoya, kay Sir Reynaldo Castro nga kung asa mi under
Yes.
sa area o
Area.
grabe ang support jud. I mean dili na ko dili na ko
Ma-measure.
Oo,
Matungkad.
ma-measure.
Matungkad.
Kumbaga dako kay ako pasalamat jud sa ilang tanan sa support na ginahatag niya sa Aquarium sa group.
Does it give you a pressure ba, sir? Nga dapat kung mag-compete ka, dapat daog yun. Nabay pressure, sir?
Well, wala man ako
Ginamay.
ang competition dili man jud mo predict no.
Yeah,
Ikaw jud
win
ang
or
pinaka-
lose,
dili,
ana.
yeah. But as I see to it jud na gibuhat ako akong best.
Yes.
Jud na kay dili jud ako gusto nga kanang ma-let down ba
Yes.
ang support sa people
Yes.
na ginahatag sa group. So mo na nga we do our best. Mo lang
Yes.
gid na. Dili man ako ma-sure ang competition,
Mm.
but we try to kumbaga dili lang 100% but even 110% kung pwede pa.
And you've been competing a lot, di ba, already, sir, no? So for how many years you've been competing a lot and you've been receiving different awards already?
Yes.
Up until today, every time mga-compete mo, sir, and then your upcoming competition, nagapay pressure, wala na. Murag, normal lang.
Na jud sir.
Nagapa,
Kumbaga man jud mao nang nature jud sa competition.
Mm.
If dili ka makulbaan, something's wrong. Kumbaga if di na ka
Okay.
makulbaan,
Murag
dili
too
na-
much
Oo.
confidence pud kita na.
na jud.
Mm,
Parang kanang dili po na ako ginalet nga dili ko ma-pressure. I mean,
okay.
the right type of pressure pod. I mean, dili nimo i-let pod nga kanang to the point na murag kanang di nakakalihok og tarong. Ang pressure na imuhang ginapangita is kanang pressure nga maka-motivate sa imo to do better
Yes,
ba.
exactly. All right, sir team, I guess you have upcoming auditions this April. So what can you say about yung mga students natin sa UM who still have doubts and hesitations of possibly screening or auditioning sa UM Coral?
Kana tinood to sir nami audition for this month. Nagapangita mig mga around 2 to 3 singers nga
Mm.
mag-fill up sa amuang current roster or sa mga future plans. For the students sa university nga kanang kumbaga nay gusto or nay plano nga mag-try out sa UM Choir, ako masulti lang is just kumbaga dala lang inyong kaugalingon. That's the first thing. Mao ra gyud na. And then if you want to try to become a part of a group na kanang dili lang talent ang ginamold kundi mismo ang inyong character no, kumbaga ang value sa
Yes.
UM nga ato ang gina-uphold. Kung nakita mo grupo nga gusto mo ma-mold holistically, then try sa UM Choir. Try lang.
All right, sir, are you ready for the quick talk?
Sige sir.
Okay, so let's start. Name your music influence.
Mark Anthony Carpio of the Philippine Madrigal Singers.
Kanta ng buhay mo.
Na ako'y hymn na ganahan, Sinner Saved by Grace.
Can we have a few lines, sir?
Ang tono niya kay I'm just a sinner saved by grace. Though I'm still condemned to that he took my place.
Wow.
Christian song.
Okay, one word to describe UM Coral.
Passionate.
If you are a musical instrument, what will you be?
Piano.
Piano. So what's your greatest achievement so far?
Achievement is being able to lead UM Choir sa kung saang iyang narating so far.
Yes. And complete the statement, music is my blank.
Music is my calling.
Music is my calling. What's your calling, guys?
Calling.
And that's a wrap for today's episode of The Black Chair. Please do not forget to like, follow, and share my social media accounts. See you on my next episode. Transition!